Every great journey begins with a spark, an idea, a dream, a purpose. But as the journey unfolds, the path isn't always smooth. The road bends, the winds howl, and the weight grows heavier with every step. There are moments when the pillars crack, when the foundations you thought were unshakable begin to falter. Doubt creeps in, the chain begins to strain. But true strength isn't found in perfection. It's found in resilience, in the will to rebuild, to reconnect, to rise again. Together, we are more than just individuals. We are pillars, standing tall, holding strong, unshaken by the storms. And when bonds break, we don't let them fall apart. We repair them. We mend the chain, link by link, until it holds stronger than ever before. We are the pillars. We are the chain. We've faced challenges, doubts, and setbacks, and yet here we are, still standing, still striving, still growing. Strength isn't about never falling, it's about always rising. Unquit, because we are stronger together. This year, we don't just move forward, we unquit, we rise.